This hand was sent in by one of our members, and I'm using it because it's so interesting in terms of the bidding. Carol, who sent the hand in, also asked a few questions, which I will show you after we've discussed the hand. And firstly, her partner had opened with a game force 2 clubs. Here is a beautiful hand, and it's time for a positive response. We don't normally give positive responses unless we've got a very good suit, 2 of the top 3 or 3 of the top 5 honours. But this is definitely a 3 diamond bid, because 2 diamonds would be a relay or waiting bid. Partner has got spades, at least 5 of them. So we could raise to 4 spades. I think this hand will make much more than 4 spades. So when we positive in the first place, it usually means we're going to slam. Sure enough, partner is bidding 4 no trumps, and we're playing key card, and the way we're playing key card Blackwood today is clubs would be none or 3, diamonds is 1 or 4. Well, we've got 1 ace, so we would bid 5 diamonds. And now 5 hearts is an ask. It says, I want to go beyond 6. I'm very keen. We've got a lot of the key cards. And I want to know, do you have the Queen of Spades? Queen of the trump suit. And if you do, please let me know about your kings. Well, we've got 2 kings. And some people say if you've got 2 kings and the Queen of Trumps, just go to 7. But we'll be a little bit more circumspect here. And because we've got the Queen of Trumps, we will bid 6 diamonds. If we didn't have the trump queen, we would just bid spades, 5 or 6 spades. But we can bid 6 diamonds, telling partner we have got the Queen of Spades and we've got the King of Diamonds, and that must have been all they needed to know to bid 7. So look at their hand. Surely a very nice 2 club opening, even though it had a small doubleton in diamonds. They've got plenty of points and 2 lovely suits. So we will play low heart, winning the heart. Now, the only thing that would hurt us is if the trumps don't break properly, if they break 4-1. Let's hope they don't. But just to ensure our contract, we'll play clubs. We could actually play 2 rounds of trumps first to be absolutely perfect. And the trumps have broken 3-2, which is good. So let's try the King of Clubs and trump a club. Luckily, the clubs have broken, which means our Queen and our 10 are winners. We've got all the rest of the tricks. We had to get rid of that spade. That was our only worry. So look at the hand. The bidding took us to 7, which was great. I've explained the bidding to you when 5 hearts says, what do you have? Do you have the Queen of Trumps? But there were many ways to play this hand, and one of them was to trump a diamond, to try to set the diamonds up. Another one was just to hope that the clubs were 3-3, which they were, but that is not as good as drawing 2 rounds of trumps and then trumping a club to be sure. The one thing that could have ruined us is if the trumps had broken badly. Thank goodness they didn't. Thanks very much for giving us the opportunity to go through this hand.